All right. Monday is a Mondayan, but I think we've got audio now, so we'll do it again. So Google's made a number of big announcements that are coming up in the next couple of weeks. There's one like the Huddles feature, which is like a direct audio meeting that you can launch in chat and in Docs. There's Google Vids, which is a really cool way of creating slideshows or video files, that's directly within Drive and kind of uses AI to compile those. But amidst all these kind of big announcements, there's been a few little ones that actually have a lot of impact for workspace users. And today I'm going to look specifically at one related to the Drive app in chat. And so essentially before now, you had to actually add the application into chat of the Google Drive notifications. And that's really what it was. It was kind of a one-way stream of this happened, here a comment was made, and it was a good place to be able to check and kind of see all of your Drive activity and notifications in one place. But it was kind of limited. You couldn't go back and forth. You couldn't actually manage sharing and stuff like that. Well, all that's changed now. So here we are in the Google Drive app. We're in chat. And you can see here that my test account shared a document with me, and I was able to get the notification with the comment and be able to open the file. Now, you could actually do that before. What is different now, though, is if there are comments, right? So here I received a comment. I was able to respond to it. I'll go down to the next one just to show. Engagement strategy, target audiences. Yeah, this looks great. But what about small businesses associated with baking? And I'm going to tag actually my test account here. So you can do the @ symbol, you can tag other people, and this is just like being in a Google Doc where you're responding to comments on the side. You can actually just do that kind of feature now. I could resolve the comment if that was something I wanted to do. Here, I just want to reply, and you'll see that it actually appends the comment in that line. So you can actually see what the comments are and be able to tag people. Super, super useful. And to have all of your documents in one place where you can see all the comments that are coming in. If you work on a lot of teams or on a lot of documents, this is super helpful. So you can see I made a number of different comments. Here's one where my test account asked to be an editor on a document. So this happens all the time, right? You're in a Google Meet, somebody shares a document, you grab the URL, you go to it, you have to request access. If you're the recipient of that, it usually comes in via email, then you have to go to the document, open the sharing settings. You can do it right from here now. So when you get the request to share, it actually comes up, and here it's telling me that I actually gave commenter access, but it'll come up and actually say, do you want to share with this person? There's, it defaults to editor. You can also choose viewer and commenter, and you can manage that sharing directly in the chat screen without having to go to the document or get super complicated. I think this is really amazing. Maybe not in terms of a technical revolution, but it's really amazing because it just brings all of that little minutia and stuff that you deal with workflows into one common stream. Also, the mentions. So the mentions, it sounds like a 1967, great band. Anyway, the home screen, of course, is where you can see the most recent comments. I've read all mine. I have mine isolated just to show only unread. But immediately underneath that, anything that you're actually tagged in or mentioned in will show up on the mentions list, and the Drive app works with that. So if you want to see just all the comments that you're actually called out on, where somebody either assigned you a task or asked you a specific questions, you can go to mentions and just see that list. So that is it. Again, maybe not technically dramatic, but actually really great little addition for cutting out all just that small crap and having to click around. So, all right, hope that helps. Later.